Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, as you can see, I have an unboxing video, and you can tell that this one is from Jerry's Artarama. And let's see here. I did open it up a little bit to just make sure that nothing was showing. It didn't need to be. And let's see. Here's the wrapping. See, on the top here we have some brushes. These are, oh, this is a brand I never tried before. Creative Mark Artist Products. Let's see, and there's 1, 2. So there's 5 brushes in that set there. Oh, here we go on the back. Number 1 rigger, 2 round, 6 round, 10 round, and half flat. These ones are synthetic hair. Mimics the squirrel in the Kolinsky sable. So this is a good alternative option if you didn't want to use the real squirrel hair. Perfect for watercolor, gouache, or acrylics. I like that. It's a pretty color too. Okay, so we have those to try out. And let's see, we have a couple right in here. Let's see. These ones are, okay, these are some of the Kolinsky ones. There's a number 6 round. So we have a number 4. And then like a tiny number 2. So we have 3 different sizes there. They feel nice and soft. You just have to wash off the binder there. And let's see, this one is just a number 10, so it's just a little bit bigger. Let's see, we'll take that off. So it's got a nice point on the end. Let's see, and this one has nice packaging. This is a number 5. Creative Mark. Oh, there we go. It's on the other side there. And then this last one, let's see what size. This is a number 3. That's nice. I don't have any. Actually, I don't have a 5 or 3, so that's good. You can see here. So I'm going to show the side by side. There we go. So I can't wait to try those out. Lots of new brushes. And let's see, here we have some watercolor paper, the Fabriano, 140 pound. This one was the 7 by 10 inches, 100% cotton. And just some information on the back. The size is nice for landscapes too. And I think you won't know till you, I was wondering if it was like glued all the way around, or sometimes it's only glued on one side rather. Let's see, I'm going to open it up and find out. I think it's all the way around. Let's see. Yes, it is. Yep, it's all the way around. So that's good. Sometimes there's a little, oh, here it is in the corner. So if you can see there, there's a little, so you could stick like an old credit card or even something like a card from the grocery store, and then you can drag it all the way around. That's nice to get your sheets separated there. So it'll be a lot easier to open. Okay, so that was that one, and this is cute. These are little tiny mini pad collection. $20 sheets in each. And this is by the Soho brand. See the shine there. Okay, let's see here. These are cute. So you have, well, there's 4 of them there. Oh, one's tracing paper. Oh, that's so cute. Look how tiny that is. Okay, so we have one for the sketch here. This one is little tiny tracing papers. Oh, that's funny. I've never seen tracing paper this tiny. It's so cute. And then we have, this is a nice way to test out the brand too, which is probably the real reason why they do that. So then you know if you like the paper to buy more. So we have the canvas paper here. Oops, that's for acrylic. Oh, you can see the, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see in person, like the tight weave on the paper there. This one's for like markers and illustration. It's definitely a softer paper. So is that the 4? There we go. So those in that cute little mini pack. There's that, and let's see. Ooh, we have the Turner Gouache Set. There's 18 colors. Okay, so we have that right there with some information. Little pamphlet in here. I'm going to set these down real quick for a minute. You can see all the nice colors. Let's see, we'll give the rundown. We have carmine, permanent red, permanent scarlet, permanent orange, yellow ochre, permanent yellow deep, lemon, it's a green, light green, viridian, sky blue, cobalt blue, Prussian, violet, ooh, the opera red, burnt sienna. We have a black and then the white. So I'm excited to try those out. And let's see, we have one more new product in there that I have to dig out. Yay! And I'm excited for my Lukas watercolors. The Aquarell 1862. Let's see. There's some information on the back. I think this is the set of the 24. Yeah, 24 half pans. Okay. Okay, we'll put the box over there. Okay, so you get your nice tin, and then you can put all your colors inside. There we go. And Lukas, if you didn't know, this is a German brand. One of my other favorite German brands is Schminke too. So I have another video if you want to check out some Schminkas. But for the Lukas for today, let's see. We have, this writing's really tiny, and some of it's in German. Okay, we have the white, the lemon yellow, it's like cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, Indian yellow, permanent yellow, cadmium red light, is it permanent red, alizarin crimson, some magenta, violet, ultramarine light. Let's see what else we have. Prussian, phthalo blue, the cyan, oh, the May green, it's a nice pretty bright green, oxide green, phthalo green, love phthalo green, it's really pretty, olive, a red light, English red light, burnt umber, raw umber, the Payne's gray, and an ivory black. So there's a good assortment of colors there in the set of 24. And for the watercolors and the gouache, I'm going to end up doing separate videos of all the swatches. Today we were just doing the unboxing, and so I like to break up everything so that I can give some thorough thoughts and reviews. So you can stay tuned for, if you were looking for something specific, you can stay tuned for that. But let's see here, we'll use one of, let's see, we'll use our canvas paper here. And we'll test out a few of the brushes real quick. Okay, I went ahead and I cleaned up my desk a little bit here, and I zoomed in, and these couple brushes here are, they're all the same brand here, that Creative Mark, Artist Products, and then these are the Kolinskys, and then they're a bunch of different sizes here I'm going to show. So let's see here, we'll start off with the biggest one, and that was the round 10. And I did clean off the binder, which I would always recommend when your brushes are new. Let's see here, we'll use some green. So this is really nice. This brush holds a lot of water, as you can see there. This will be nice for backgrounds or just like bigger areas. And then this one is the 6. Six is a good size. I usually use a 6, an 8, and then your 10 or 12s can be good for just like larger pieces of artwork, but see, this is perfect for leaves. And then let's see, this was the 4. That's really nice too. It's got, I have a 4, but mine's old and it doesn't have that nice point on it anymore. That one's really nice too. And then we have the little tiny one, a 2, which I do not own a 2, so that's good. I think I have a 0 that looks like a tiny eyelash. So this one looks a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, that'd be really good for details. Getting in those tight spaces. Let's see, and again, I'll show the comparison. So let's see. You can see the 2 and the 4. And then up close, this was the 6 and the 10. Oh, forget them. Overall, I'm very happy with those brushes. They seem really nice. I will definitely give a more thorough review later on. And then I have lots more to test out. Like I said, this was just a fun unboxing video and I didn't want it to be too terribly long. So you can be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for the Lukas review coming up, and then my Turner gouache and lots more. So yeah. And if anybody's interested, I'm going to leave a link to Jerry's Artarama down in the description. And I have a lot of other fun stuff you can check out as well. But that is it for today's unboxing. And I'll see you next time.